Hello everyone, welcome to our channel RS Kitchen. If you are new to our channel or haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for regular updates. Today we will show you how to prepare Kumro Patar Paturi. For this we require Kumro pata or pumpkin leaves. Sprinkle some salt over the leaves. Crush the leaves with hands. Keep the leaves aside for 30 minutes. For filling, take chopped onions, garlics and green chilies. Add salt. Add turmeric. Mix well. Spread 2 pumpkin leaves as shown here. Add the filling on it. Fold leaves as shown here. Heat oil. Place the stuffed pumpkin leaf. Cook in low flame. After 5 minutes, turn to other side. Continue the process until both the sides are reddish brown and crispy. Our Kumro Patar Paturi is ready to be served. Thank you for watching.